It's a normal morning in a Walmart parking lot. Shoppers come and go. Nothing seems out of place until police open a trash bag in the back of a pickup truck and realize they're looking at something no one should ever see: a woman's head.
And it smells like real blood. The head. You get a woman's head. A real head? Oh yeah, no, it's real.
Which bag is it in?
It's in this one, in foil.
That's a human head.
Yeah, it's real.
On October 28, 2020, police in Hot Springs, Arkansas, respond to a frantic 911 call. A man claims he's made a disturbing discovery after finishing his grocery shopping.
I just got a little bit of groceries. They're in the back seat.
Okay.
I came out, I saw that bag in the back. I thought it was just somebody putting trash in my truck, which has happened before.
Yeah.
So I opened that outside bag, and I saw there was another bag inside of it with what looked like some clothes and some blood on it.
Yeah.
And so that's when I walked away and called 911.
Moments later, officers carefully open the bag. Inside is a human head, a woman's head. The smell confirms it immediately. This is real.
Is this an animal? I mean,
What?
it looks like an
Oh, it could
animal.
be an animal. That is blood.
Yeah, that's blood.
Which bag is it in?
It's in this one, in foil.
All this was in that bag. Okay.
That's a human head.
Yeah, it's real.
The Walmart parking lot is shut down and declared an active crime scene. Forensics are called in.
Hey, let's just leave everything like it is. Let's string tape up around our cars.
Sandy, you got tape?
Investigators search for any clue that explains how this ended up here, and then they find one. A handwritten note left nearby.
Hold up. Hold off on that one. See what I see? Yeah.
Adam Webb has been identified as the truck's owner. The truck's owner is taken to the police station for questioning.
Is this your truck?
My truck.
Man, how long ago did you pull up here?
I don't know, within an hour.
You're not in trouble, you're not under arrest. We're fixing to block all this off, okay?
Now, I didn't check the back of my truck before I left my house.
Yeah.
So
Where do you live at?
Maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes from here.
Okay.
Yeah,
You didn't notice
I don't.
anything in the back then?
No, I didn't. But I also didn't go back there and look.
He calmly explains his day. He left home, went to Walmart, bought groceries, milk, flour, eggs. When he came back outside, the bag was already there.
Where all have you been today?
Today?
Yes, sir.
Just to Walmart.
Okay, so you left from your house and went to Walmart, and then tell me what happened when you got to Walmart.
I got there around noon or so. Had a short grocery list. Just a couple of things: milk, flour, eggs. Wife's doing some baking. Came back out to the truck. I noticed something in the back and looked a little weird. So opened it up. I saw what looked like blood, and I backed away and called 911.
Detectives find no inconsistencies. Surveillance footage supports his story. He is not a suspect, but his truck is seized as evidence. And investigators now know one thing for certain. This head came from somewhere else. Nearly 300 miles away in Deerfield, Missouri, a woman fails to show up for work. A co-worker goes to check on her. The front door is unlocked. Inside the house, they find 63-year-old Connie Goodwin dead in her bathtub. Her head is missing. Suddenly, the pieces begin to fit. Police bring in Connie's husband, John Goodwin. He had already contacted authorities, not about his wife, but about his son, Aaron.
Mr. Goodwin, this is Detective Hunter Scott. I'm Detective Sergeant Freeman. Like I said, we're here to ask you about this report, do some follow-up with you about this report you made this morning about your son. Who came up with that at Hot Springs, you or Aaron?
Well, he wanted to come down here and do his walkabout. I assumed, and I said, why would you come to a city of 35,000 people? But I guess I got to look at the map, and there's a lot of mountains and stuff around. Say goodbye to Connie, kiss, and all that. I locked the door behind me. He said, I need you to go.
He didn't go with you?
No, he stayed there. So I come home, and here's my driveway. I stopped. He threw the plastic bag in there. He already had his backpack in there, I think. And hopped in, and I said, already said bye to Mom.
John explains that Aaron hasn't been acting right. He talks about God, about being called to go on a walkabout into the wilderness. John rented a hotel room in Hot Springs so Aaron could prepare. But Aaron vanished. Detectives learned something else. Surveillance footage from Walmart shows Aaron near the truck, the same truck where his mother's head was later found. John remembers something he forgot to mention, a note Aaron left behind. It reads, "I believed I was doing God's will." Detectives now believe the note found at Walmart and the note Aaron left are connected. And then they tell John the truth.
We're trying to piece this day together. Are you guys believers? Can I ask you that? Are you Christians?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That might help.
Okay.
I think, I'm not sure. He's not been right. And he thinks God wanted him to go on a walkabout. And trying to help him.
Has he ever had any psychological help, to your knowledge?
You know, yeah, he was seeing a counselor maybe 3 years ago. I don't know his name. It's all confidential. He was living on his own, and all that's not. I know that's not. I mean, he's real private.
The trash bag in the truck contained his wife's head. She was decapitated. A homicide investigation is officially opened. Aaron Goodwin is named the sole suspect, but he's gone. For months, law enforcement searches the area around Hot Springs.
A man wanted in connection to a homicide in Missouri is believed to be in the natural state.
Police are looking for a subject in connection to a Vernon County, Missouri homicide.
Officials found 63-year-old woman dead in her home. Her son is now a suspect in the case, and they believe he is the one who's in Hot Springs.
On March 6, 2021, hikers in the woods near Hot Springs discover a decomposing body. It's Aaron Goodwin. Investigators determine he took his own life. The case ends without a clear motive, without answers.
I guarantee you, let me see your glove. The rest of the body's there. Feet.
The state of the body was in severe decomposition, was mainly skeletal.
I mean, the skull's bleached out. The pieces of it are. And I can see insect activity, though, where the neck used to be. Where is he? I'll pick one person on the body, and then I'm going to hike out.
The officers that responded to the scene were able to put the pieces together that this could potentially be Aaron Goodwin.
There's a body and a sleeping bag. You see the arm of the jacket? You can see the arm of the jacket, but I don't see any arms or hands. But there's a backpack next to it. I mean, but I'm not going to touch that backpack. You know what?
And John Goodwin is left to live with the truth no parent should ever face, that the people he loved most are gone, and the reason why may never be fully understood. Subscribe to Operation Bodycam for real police bodycam footage, criminal investigations, and unfiltered law enforcement cases.